So we have to write the equation of this circle in standard form. And once we get it in standard form, we're going to be able to just look at it and tell what the center is, and look at it and tell what the radius is. So in order to do this, you're going to have to know how to complete the square. Okay, and if you're not sure how to do that, you might want to pause this and go look up completing the square. And then you're also going to need to know the standard form of a circle. And let me get that for you right here. All right, standard form of a circle. All right. So, looking at what we have, first thing we want to do is take your constant number and move it to the other side. Okay, and that's going to go along with part of this radius. So any constant that doesn't have an x or a y, move it to the other side. All right, we're going to say plus 31 on the left of the equal sign, plus 31 on the right of the equal sign. I'll have no more constants on the left. Negative 31 plus 31 is gone. So I'm going to have x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y equals 31. Next thing we want to do is we want to group the x's so that we can complete the square, and then group the y's. So I'm just going to rearrange these. X squared minus 2x, okay, that came from right here. I'm just bringing it over there, plus y squared minus 4y equals 31. And now we're going to complete the square for x, and we're going to complete the square for y. And when we do that, we're going to have it in this standard form over here. So to complete the square for x, we need to find this perfect number plus blank. And to complete the square for y, we need to find this perfect number. I'll get a different color. Let's go for pink. Plus blank. Now, if I'm going to add a green and a pink number to the left, I can't add it to the left unless I also add it to the right. So I'm going to put a plus blank here and a plus blank over here. Now, what is this number? It is going to be half of the middle term squared. The middle term is negative 2. I take half of that. That gives me negative 1. And when I square the negative 1, that's going to go here. Negative 1 squared is 1. Let's look for the pink number. Half of the middle term, half of negative 4 is negative 2, and you're going to square the negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So to complete the square, we need half of the middle term, the middle coefficient, and then we square it. And don't forget, if we add 1 and 4 to the left, we have to add 1 and 4 to the right. All right, now, this thing here is now a perfect square. It's x minus 1 squared. Okay, if you want to go back and look on how to factor a trinomial, that can help you. This thing here is now a perfect square. And it's y minus 2 squared. And that equals, let's add these up, 31 plus 1 plus 4 is 36. And now we have it in standard form. So this is the answer to part A. Part B asks, what is the center? Well, the center of a circle is going to be H, K. Okay, and you can just look at it and pick out the h and pick out the k. So the center of this circle is going to be 1, 2. And then the last question asks the radius. And the radius is going to be the square root of this number. Okay, this number here is the radius squared. So what number squared would give you 36? 6. All right.